Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video we will see how to repair ABS system on your car. An anti-lock braking system, ABS, is a safety anti-skid braking system used on aircraft and on land vehicles, such as cars, motorcycles, trucks, and buses. ABS operates by preventing the wheels from locking up during braking, thereby maintaining tractive contact with the road surface and allowing the driver to maintain more control over the vehicle. An ABS indicator light on your dash is a sign that something may have gone wrong with your system and you need to get it checked out. The 4 common reasons that typically cause this light to turn on include a malfunctioning ABS module, low levels in the fluid reservoir, broken wheel speed sensors, or the system is turned off. First, we need to diagnose the ABS system. Based on the diagnosis, it will give us different fault codes. According to the code we gave, the reason why this car's ABS is on is because the speed sensor on the front right side is not working. As you can see, the ABS sensor of this car is cut. So we will repair the cut line, but if it cannot be repaired, we will fix it by changing the sensor. After that, we need to clear the ABS fault with the scanner, and when we scan again, it should not contain any fault code. So today's ABS problem has been fixed in this way. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and become a family of our channel. Thank you very much for the time we had. See you in another video. Bye for today.